Start off with that little guy. And hopefully it'll do good. Got my tackle box all ready to go. Got some different baits I'm going to try out today. I see how. Oh. Big boy. What you gonna do? You want me to grab that rag or anything? Yay! Bye. He was a big one. Well, that's all the fishing we're gonna do for today. I didn't catch anything. He caught a gar. We're gonna head out. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching Debbie's Delights, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Peace out, everybody.